So hey guys, welcome back to our video, and in today's video I will be teaching you that how you can create gradients like this by using Photoshop CS6. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So hey guys, welcome back. So hey guys, welcome back. So hey guys, welcome back to Photoshop CS6. So hey guys, welcome back. And let's get started. Photoshop CS6. Welcome back to our video, and in today's video I will be teaching you that how you can create gradients like this by using Photoshop CS6. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, we have to create a new page. So while creating a new page, there are two ways which I had shown you in last video. You can either press Ctrl+N and click on OK, or select on file. I actually click on file and then new and then OK. There are two ways, and the both ways I explained you just right now. So first of all, I click on file and new, and here the size would be the width would be 1920 and the height would be 1080. Click on OK, which gives you a perfect size. So for creating gradients, actually this gradient was used in the before one. So for creating gradients, you can either create your own gradients or use the sample one, means sample not. Actually there are by default some gradients are given by Photoshop itself. So you can use either them or you can create your own. So mostly I create my own, but I actually also use the Photoshop one. Means, how could I explain you? Just wait a second.
A few moments later.
So there are two types of gradients which contain 3 colors and 2 colors. Mostly the 2 colors are used, but 3 colors are also used sometimes. I use the 2 color one mostly. And here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 colors, which means it's on your own imagination, means how much you want, what you want, like that. So basically there are so many gradients like the 2 color ones or the 3 color ones or the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 color ones, 6 color, and there are so many colors, so many color combinations. Actually I was mistaken. So mostly I use the 2 color ones. So let's create the 2 color. Here when you double click on this, a page opens which is like this. So the pink, and here some blue shade. Here's our solid gradient. Awesome. And let's click on the blur tool, and here I'm going to a little bit blur this center part so that it looks more good. Now let's enter our text. I will type the title of the video, which is gradient and text. Actually let's keep it only text, so you can move it like this. So like you can keep it in here or keep it in here. And now I will keep it in center. Now press Ctrl+T and I'll increase its size a little bit. So now it is perfectly visible. Now click on the move tool and press Ctrl+A so that it selects the whole image. Now click on second option and second last option in this side up here. So now our text is in perfect center, and click on select and deselect. So now to give us text a border, double click here and select stroke. So I'm keeping it white because our text is black. Oh, by mistake I kept it 97. And you can also give it some kind of inner stroke option was also there. Oh, it is not there, sorry. So you can give it some kind of shadow by like this. 13 or let's keep it 30 tab 30 tab 30. You click again on 30, it will become too blur. Let's keep it 12. So now our text is looking very nice. So if you want to add an image inside your text, go in file, open. I will open one image which I had clicked last year. Okay, this is the image. So I want to rotate it. So to rotate this image, click on image, then image rotation, and flip canvas horizontal. Now it's looking very good. Now let's copy paste it, and now right click in here and click on create clipping mask. Now our image is exact behind our text, as you can see in here. And now I will change the color of the border to black. Now it's looking very good. So let's just remove it. One more effect is there, which is gradient overlay. You can also give your text some kind of gradients like this. This is also nice. And some kind of, let it be like this only, because I don't know that much nice gradients and only 2 color or 3 color gradients. Actually this type of gradients take too much time to create, so we'll not look for them. Now let's make our text 3D. To make our text 3D, right click here. First of all, let me unlock this layer. So right click here and click on new 3D extrusion from selected layer. Click on yes. And now our text is 3D, but it is looking absolutely weird. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to remove the image. Okay, now it looks better. So right now it is black. So to make it a little bit nice, click on gradient and text. No, click on the third option and in properties click on this thing. So now it will give some kind of color to the back side, means this part of the text. So I will give it some kind of black. And now here, to edit the front part, select on the first option, go in properties, and I will give it some blue. Blue always looks nice. Let it be, let's keep it black. Now it looks very good. Now shine it was, let it be like this. Okay. So now to adjust the size, you can click here, scale uniform, and like this you can adjust its size. And to move it forward and backward, click on this yellow option, move on Z axis. And to move it right side and left side, move on X axis. And for up and down, move on Y axis. Okay. So now to, where is it? Okay, so now to reduce the size of this thing, let me deselect it. Actually, you can also adjust the light from where the light should come from, upside or downside or front side, and from left or right, from back side. The back side option is not available right now. Let's keep it this side. Okay, so to reduce the size of the backwards, you can here extrusion depth and just lower it. Hey, what just happened to my text? Wait a second. And now it's looking much better. So like this you can adjust it. Let me bring it a little front. Okay, so like this you can adjust the size of this thing. Let's keep it this much. A little bit thicker. Okay, this is the size. Enter. So now our text is good. When you click on the third and fourth, when you click on the fourth option, go on properties, then shine, it should be this much only. Bump, keep it 100%. So now text is little bit smooth. Refraction also full. So now our text is looking smooth. Now what we will do is just that. Let's give it some kind of, just a second. It is looking actually more rough. Refraction, we will keep it 1%. Okay, now it looks smooth. Now let's go in typography again. Right, double click this side and let's give it a stroke. Now it's actually looking fabulous. I will adjust its color. Red will not work. So let's give it some kind of bright color. So this color is good and nice. Now to give it a border and not our text to the canvas, not canvas, what? Our background. To give a border to a background like this in here. Actually, this is looking better than this. So guys, comment me if you like this one. So to give it a border, we have to click on our background layer and image and canvas side. Make sure that relative is checked, and instead of centimeters keep it inches. Now here I will keep 0.5 and here also 0.5. Now here is the color. Now click on here and solid color. Now let's keep the yellow, a lighter shade of yellow. No, a darker shade, not that dark, cause it is border. We'll keep it light only and bring this below this image. Now it looks very nice. So that is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something. So if you like today's video, don't forget to like it, and if you are new on the channel, go and hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, goodbye.